Alright guys, welcome back to JD's Vlogs. I'm in Liverpool now, and we're on like a work trip. But yeah, finished work now, so we're going to go out and have a little look around Liverpool. It is lockdown, so obviously there's not a lot to do, but you know what I mean? Going to keep up the vlogs, see how it goes. And yeah, my room's actually quite nice. Obviously I've made it a bit of a tip, been here a day already. But yeah, as you can see, look at the views. I think that's called the Liver building, and then out towards the dock. It is the 5th of November, so hopefully, you know what I mean, hopefully we're going to see some fireworks out there later. Might even go to some sort of firework thing, hopefully. But yeah, I mean, I'm in the presidential suite for a reason. And now it's time to, yeah, slip on a robe and go and meet the rest of the peasants, alright? Alright guys, I call it the daddy's home outfit, alright? And we're going to go and see what the peasants are up to now. Yeah, potentially get one of them to dress me. But yeah, I'm going to need some more towels as well, so yeah, let's go. Right, see that? That means something around here, alright? Yeah, sorry mate, didn't know who to ask, but I want some more towels. Yeah. Can you get me some more towels, please? Come and dress me, Madge. See, this is one of the peasant quarters. One of the normal rooms. Yep.
Yeah, my room is a mess, man.
Yeah. Right. Couldn't be me. Get me out of it quick. Get me out of it. Gonna have to shower again after going in the peasants' quarters. But that's alright. Okay. We're going to cut now to when we go out, alright? These lot are getting the VOI'S out.
Oh, are you going to get one?
Getting the scooter.
I think you're going to get one.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hi per minute.
Yeah. Find anywhere to eat. Yeah, man.
Oh, you should have
I feel like I'm still going though. The next time I stop.
You should.
That's the future, kids. That's the future. That's our future.
But vibes.
What was it beeping at me?
There.
And then you can just leave them anywhere. In this side alley. With all these hoodlum. So we're off to see Concert Square. Obviously, Concert Square normally is pretty sick.
I'm on the map.
It's closed on the maps. But yeah, go Concert Square. Nothing's going to be open probably, but that's probably the most live place in Liverpool. If Macaulay's is open, we're getting licked.
Yeah,
getting licked.
a bottle of water.
Fuck's sake.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stick to the VEAT, get ready to ignite.
We've lost them. We've lost them to the dresses.
I would so love to go and try some of them on right now. I don't want to get married though.
Cinematic. Go on, get by it. Yeah. You are you, Ed? I'm like 5'9". Go on, who are they? I think. I'm guessing that's John Lennon. You and I, we're gonna live forever. Vlog. Look at the camera. Film now. Film now. Maybe you don't really want to know. See, even in Liverpool, they like Manchester music. Yes, fire. Yeah, that busker I seriously rate him. Come together right now, is on there. Oasis and the Beatles. That's a naughty little crossover, that is.
Right now, coronavirus.
Oh! And here we are, back where we started. There's the hotel behind the church. 8 floors up. The presidential suite, mate. Yeah. Cut to later. See what's going on. Hopefully a firework display. This boat is an absolute cock tease, man. Thought this thing was going to be firing off mad fireworks, but they're all in the background, as you can see. Not too bad, but you know what I mean? If this boat sets off like a fucking day maker, 10 seconds of daylight then. Oh, I don't care, I want to see fireworks. I want to see fireworks.
Shooting star, but you move so fast that I can't keep up. I'm chasing, I'm in love with a shooting star, but you move so fast, push your balls and I'll be waiting. Give my love to a shooting star, but you move so fast that I can't keep up. I'm chasing, I'm in love with a shooting star, but you move so fast, push your balls and I'll.
But when I see you again.
Whoa, that was beautiful.
Your dad's crazy. Oh, are you doing the tornado one? Oh my!
That's actually like a magic trick.
That's sick. That was sick.
That is live.
Do that one again.
You vape too much.
Oi! If any Scousers watching this, tell me what the fuck these are.
What is that?
I'm saying a dog.
That's a big bird. That's a big
Order! Order! Gotta see this again for my ridiculous replay.
Guys, I call it the daddy's home outfit, alright? And we're gonna go and see what the peasants are up to now. Yeah. Can you get me some more towels, please?
This is
I've been smooth. I've been smooth. I've been smooth.